Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you my backyard garden. This was filmed around springtime, but I believe it is never too late to share this beautiful space of mine. Please let me know what you think in the comments section. This year we tried growing different varieties of flowers from seeds that we don't usually grow at home. We are trying poppies and sunflower as well as some daisies. And for the vegetables, we're trying to grow them from seeds as well, like the corn, the zucchinis, the radishes, the lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber. I have decided to grow my very first white rose. This variety has a very big white flower, apparently grows in full sun, so wish me luck. I'm also planting some hydrangeas. If you're familiar with this plant, please leave a comment below. I can't wait to play with the pH level of the soil, since apparently the color of the flower will change when you tweak the level of the pH of the soil. If you enjoyed this video, hope you consider to click that subscribe button and hope to see you next time for more updates of my backyard garden. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye for now.
He loves to go to buy.